Hello friends, let's make a Circus Peanut Jello Salad. We're going to need a pack of circus peanuts, a can of crushed pineapple, a container of Cool Whip, and orange flavored Jello. Boy, this brings back memories. The instructions on the recipe I'm attempting to duplicate call for you to chop up these circus peanuts, but that was really hard and I got bored with it, so I just threw them into the container of boiling water. This is 1.5 cups of boiling water. I dumped the peanuts in there and melted them as best as I could, and then I added the gelatin, and as a last step I added in the crushed pineapple, liquid and all, and mixed it up as best I could. And I gotta take a minute and show off my cute vintage dress that I found at the thrift store. It's just perfect for when you're baking these wacky vintage recipes. So as a last step, I'm mixing in that Cool Whip and then plopping it all into my Jello mold, which I did grease before I added that. Interesting. All right, time for the moment of glory. I saved one peanut for the final reveal.
Why does it look like that?
So while it's not as pretty as I thought it would be, it was definitely entertaining, and it actually tastes pretty good, I gotta say. If you're used to, weird Jello desserts from the 70s and 80s, this is one of the better ones as far as gelatin goes. I hope you'll give it a try.